Dear customer, now we are going to do the final step, which is the back section. Okay, we have 4 servos, and at the beginning, it's better we reset everything. Okay, reset everything, same include, because earlier we have things sticking out, and we don't want to crush the machine. Reset. We go back to manual page, and we go to back station. And this is the bottom pressing. This one is the easiest. You don't even touch anything. They have the speed. They have the waiting position. The waiting position is right here in the corner. And you don't need to do anything. And the press position, the push position is more like a waiting position, second waiting position. Okay, because we need this to go closer and to eventually go to the work position, so we can save some time. But why do we have a waiting position here? Is because if we are always waiting here, when we do the spinning, this will crush into the unit. So if you see the pre-push position, this means ready to push, ready to go. Okay, and the final arrival position is here, right? And what we do is we do the bottom. We go to the center press page, and you have the bottom press. Okay, this is the press, the box at the bottom. So there's that. I only explaining to you why we have this section, but you don't even need to touch anything. Okay, all these don't touch. Okay, now I reset. Reset the this back, and we are skipping to the rotate. In the rotate, the manual speed don't touch. Ready position. The ready position is this is a rotation, right? This 180 is the angle. Now we are doing 180. Okay, 180 is rotate. This is to rotate the front to the back. Okay, and if we reset, it goes back to again. So the machine does rotate and back, rotate and back. But why do we have this? Okay, it's because look. See, when we are installing the mold, we could potentially spin this towards you, so it's easier for you to work. Okay, and the maximum we can do is 270. Okay, so if we rotate 180 degree and we want to work that mode, we could rotate more. Okay, 270 is like maximum. So now we're at 260, but now it's easy to work the front one, right? Then we reset, and then we'll go back to all the way to the. Okay, so you understand how this rotate spindle work. You don't need to do anything here because this is just an angle. And now we are here at the grab box exit. Okay, the grab box exit is up and down. Okay, the box. Okay. These 2 positions. One is to go here to grab the box. Okay, I'll show you where to set the position. So here you can see here you have a little bit of edge. This is because we need to hook, you take off the box. Right there. We need to take off the box. Okay, we need to like this hook off the box. So naturally, this edge needs to be 0.5 or 1 millimeter more further away than the box. Okay, so the box should be like this, and the edge should not be touching this step. Should be a little bit further by 1 millimeter. Okay, like this. Alright, so and then here at the center page, you can also open and grab this one. Sorry, this one. Okay, very easy. And then the final one is the grab box exit. It's that one. Okay. Ready position, work position. Ready position is there. This first grab will take the box. And put on top in the middle of the second grab, and the second grab will take from the bottom like this and take it away. Okay. Alright, let's reset. Both reset. So now you will see the top. The second grab and the first grab are working like this together. Okay. And when we go to the work position, it's important to know that the box needs to be here. The box needs to be like 1 millimeter behind this bar. Okay, because here this paper flap is still like this. This needs to come down, fold the paper, and then again this blade will fold in the paper. So that's why the box needs to be 1 millimeter, half a millimeter behind this bar. Okay, and that's when you will set this position. Okay.
这一块是从这里上下，这一块要刚好把盒子夹了，往这里压紧，上下压紧。
And to adjust the height of this unit is to adjust here. Okay, go up and down. So the box can press. So this can press the box. Okay. Again, when you can reset the whole machine. Okay, so here you have all the pressing. I will show you the upper ear folding. It's this one, upper ear folding, and here's the turn up down cylinder. Okay, this is to fold the paper down, the flap, and this is to hook inside. Okay. You see? Okay. And here's the upper pressing. This is not needed. Okay. This one is normally we never really use it. Okay. So we don't use it. Okay. Grab. First grab. Second grab. Press down. This. Fold down the paper, this go inside the paper, this bottom press, and here up ear brush, okay? And up until now, all the setting is finished, okay? Reset, and we are ready to start. You could use the job testing, okay? Job testing to test it before you run fully automatic, okay? Thank you for watching.